There is an enchanted and wonderful place that we all dream of knowing and exploring. An ancient land rich in history, traditions, art and culture. In this sunny and passionate strip of land, today we meet two young ladies who have chosen to tell their story and take us to their world to get to know a little of this wonderful country called Italy. So, I will ask each one of you 20 questions. One of you will reply in English, the other one in Italian. There's only one rule. You cannot refuse to answer. Is that okay?
Sì.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What's your name?
Francesca.
Francesca.
How old are you?
28.
Just a few months older.
What do you do for a living?
Insegno lingue, in particolare italiano agli stranieri.
I'm a sales manager in the food and beverage industry.
What are you doing here on YouTube?
Organizzo corsi online per l'insegnamento dell'italiano, in particolar modo a inglesi e americani. Facciamo sintassi, conversazione, ascolto, proverbi e modi di dire e ovviamente tanta cultura italiana.
I talk about my passion for Italian cuisine. I share my recipes with Italian food lovers all over the world. I am not a professional. I'm not into nouvelle cuisine, such as strawberries on the sea bream. My recipes are cooked according to the Italian tradition. I just add some passion and some creativity.
What color do you like most?
L'azzurro.
Pink.
Sea or mountain?
Adoro entrambi, ma per me vince il mare.
Sea, mountain, lake, river, whatever.
You dye your hair?
No dai, non ancora. Anche se qualche pasticcio l'ho fatto.
Yes, long time.
What is your favorite sport?
Corso, nuoto e aerobica in generale. Sono un tipo molto dinamico, mi piacciono gli sport all'aria aperta.
Tennis, football, rugby, climbing, biking, all of them on TV. Seriously, I'm passionate about hiking.
The Italian city you like the most?
Roma.
Roma.
Do you like coffee?
Ho una passione per il caffè, specialmente il caffè macchiato, caldo.
Yes, but only made with mocha.
How about chamomile?
Sì,
Yes.
What is your favorite ethnic food?
adoro la cucina greca.
Does Italian count as ethnic?
Are you engaged?
Sono fidanzata.
Yes, I am. You should know. Why do you ask?
Just double checking. Who's in charge of washing dishes?
La mia cara lavastoviglie.
I got a washing machine.
Zodiac.
Sagittario.
Sagittarius.
What do you do in your spare time?
Adoro leggere e fare sport e se il tempo è un po' di più amo viaggiare.
I cook. Seriously, I love reading novels.
So, what is your favorite word, respectively?
Positività.
Weltanschauung.
Oh, come on, that is no English.
Okay. Serendipity.
What is your livre de chevet?
900 di Alessandro Baricco.
I guess the translation is The House of the Spirits by Isabel Allende. And you, Raul?
I am the one calling the shots here, remember? Anyway, The Lord of the Rings. Do you like cooking?
Molto, anche se ammetto che preferisco che gli altri lo facciano per me.
I love it. I do it every day since I was a child.
Would you prepare something for us today?
Sì, ma poi lo mangiamo noi.
Sure, and that will be our lunch. We start by preparing the filling. We will use these ingredients: bresaola, soft cheese, and chives. Both chives or parsley can be used based on personal taste. How do you prepare it, Francesca?
A me la crema piace con il prezzemolo. Ho tritato finemente il prezzemolo e l'ho unito al Philadelphia con un goccio di olio per formare questa crema.
I'm using a knife, or rather a crescent. As you might know, I love this tool. Have you got one, Francesca?
No, mi piace tantissimo. Si chiama mezzaluna e la usava sempre mia nonna per cucinarmi un sacco di piatti buoni.
I can get you one someday, so you will prepare some recipe according to the Italian tradition. How do we proceed after mincing herbs, Francesca?
Adesso spalmiamo la crema su una fetta di bresaola e arrotoliamo per bene. Vi faccio vedere come. Adesso prepariamo altri 3 involtini.
Well done, I'm doing the same. You can use it as an appetizer and you can serve it with some great Italian wine. You can toast with some prosecco. What about there, Francesca?
Noi qui brindiamo con un calice di pigato. Cincina a noi!
Cheers!
Well, remote cooking is not easy, not at all, but we made it. I hope we can cook together again in the same kitchen soon.
Fa parte delle sfide del momento. Quest'anno abbiamo imparato che si possono fare davvero tante cose a distanza. Per esempio imparare una lingua seguendo le mie lezioni.
And cooking some recipes of the Italian tradition, also following our tutorials.
Francesca, how easy was preparing these Bresaola Rolls?
A piece of cake, something you can do last minute.
Ma sì, facilissimo, mi sono divertita un sacco.
Why should I follow the other Francesca's YouTube channel?
Perché ci sono un sacco di ricette buonissime e Francesca è bravissima, oltre che molto simpatica, e inoltre vi porta nel suo mondo di cucina buona come una volta. Le sue ricette sono facili e sono fattibili tranquillamente anche senza essere esperti.
I got to know Francesca here on YouTube and I started following her because she's really great. I also think she has a charming smile. Teaching Italian is not easy, but I really think she's great. If I were American or British, I would have Francesca as my Italian teacher.
Thank you. Is there anything else you want to say?
If you want to learn cooking Italian, just subscribe to Scola Pasta, the Italian way of making food.
Do you want to learn Italian? Follow Francesca De Paulis.